decided today after Memorial Day. So first things first, I have to do chart prep today. Basically, prepare everybody's chart for a certain day. I'll turn this into the front desk. I have to look at my schedule to find out how many injections I will need because I have to prepare my injections for the day.
Badge on my tote bag, lip gloss, fresh mint, talking like a queen, still got rent to pay. Name on the schedule, steady as my hands, they want perfect from me. I get them polished and paid. I don't fold easy, I don't move loud. Coffee in my system, but my head held proud. Tell me, can you see me? I've been moving through the pressure, needing every detail. Turn the strain into leverage. 9 to 5, but I shine. I keep my face clean. 9 to 5, but I rise. I make the whole team leave. Take that check, take that piece. I'm built for this scene. 9 to 5, but I shine. I keep my face clean. Late on the paperwork, still I hit my stride. Manicured and ready, with a plan in my eyes. I know what I bring here, I know what I earn. Every little corner got my full return. They can watch me working, try to read my calm. I put sugar on my wings and steel in my palms. Tell me, can you see me? I've been moving through the pressure, needing every detail. Turn the strain into leverage. 9 to 5, but I shine, I shine. I keep my face clean. 9 to 5, but I rise. I make the whole team leave. Take that check, take that check, take that piece. I'm built for this scene. Oh, 9 to 5, but I shine. I keep my face clean. When the week get heavy, I still stand tall. Soft voice, sharp boundaries. I don't bend for it all. I've been made for it.
Today we decided to get some America's Best wings and crumble cookie. Enough fattening, but we having movie time. My son is knocked out, so it's just us girls watching movies. So we got the 6-pack of cookies, the mini cookies actually. 2 of them are cheesecake. I think it's strawberry cheesecake, and the other ones are chocolate chip. 2 of them are the Biscoff. I gotta try these. I want to try this one first.
Yeah, I was gonna say that.
Wait, no, we're splitting this.
Oh,
We gotta share something for you too.
just give him give him a quarter.
Hey you guys, so today is Saturday. I just picked up my mom. Say hi. So the kids are with me. We are on our way back to the house.
Hola.
You gonna say hi? No. He's just waking up. But anyway, we on our way back to the house now. Mom just decided to spend the weekend with us, so that's always a plus. Well, you go, Faith. What are 2 things you care? What are 2 things you love about yourself? Yeah, broccoli and beef. Broccoli. That's, and what else would you want? What other side?
The rice.
Oh, right.
I'm the goofiest person in the whole world. And I think that I'm unique. I have one dip. Oh wait, no, I'm gonna change the first.
Okay.
Even though I am, but basically I'm gonna say that football say I'm very gorgeous.
Yes, you are. So we are at Panda Express, one of our favorite spots now, because we don't eat McDonald's anymore. After all the things that I've heard about it, we don't eat McDonald's. What? Such a rough one right there. 'Cause I ate McDonald's growing up, but yeah, we don't eat McDonald's anymore.
Yeah, I said it was no more McDonald's. I don't think another milkshake. But the thing is, so what's wrong with their food?
Basically, you've seen a lot of videos. One of them was like somebody found a tooth, a child's tooth inside of the food.
That's
And
not here.
regardless, I don't trust it.
Mm.
And then the other one was somebody was trying to basically it's kidnap a child or something to use it for meat.
Oh my.
Use them for meat, I meant to say. But she got away, thank God. Can I get 4 kids meals? 2 of them. One of them is with you said beef and broccoli and rice.
They're drinking water.
No.
What are they drinking?
So 3 of them is strawberry Fanta, and 1 of them is orange Fanta. I need to get some gas and go to the car wash because this car need to be washed like ASAP for real. Finally got his feet fitted, so now his feet is a size 12,
Okay.
not an 11.
Oh.
So it's a big size difference.
I just.
But yeah, the ones he got on now is a 12. But I got shoes in the house that I need to check.
Oh, okay.
We got the car wash, you guys. Definitely had to get this day with car wash. But it's a hot mess. So the kids are ready to dig in. So
I'm starving in here.
what you say, Faye? Boy.
I'm starving. I'm starving too. We're sitting all alone. So sad.
I asked for super greens, but they gave me rice, but it's okay. My daughter did my mom's hair.
Okay.
She wanted them big. Looks nice.
The top on there, though.
Good morning, guys. So today is Monday. Honestly, I don't feel like it this morning. I don't, but I know I have to. I have to get up. It's past 5:30. I was supposed to work out, and get myself together, all of that. But right now, it's like, oh my God, do I really feel like it? But at the same time, I know it is good. I didn't get enough sleep last night. That's my problem. I didn't get enough sleep last night. I took my mom home yesterday, and it was kind of later than what I wanted it to be, actually. So when I got home, I had to give, my son a bath and get basically things together for today, which I did. But at the same time, I didn't go to bed when I wanted to. So that's the reason why I'm so tired. And I do want to at least get 15 minutes of working out in today. I typically work out in the mornings. Let me get myself together while I'm talking to you guys. But yeah, I typically work out in the mornings. And if I do hip hop abs, and if I'm not able to do hip hop abs, then I normally would do my bike. I have a stationary bike, so I would do that. So I can do like 15 minutes on there. I gotta get my lunch and all of that together. So let me hurry up, for real. Let me hurry up. That was a decent workout, but could have been better. Could have been a lot better if I would have got up on time. If I would have got up enough rest from the beginning, that would have been even better. But yeah, I got something in.
Out here in the field, yeah. I'm already yeah. Come outside looking like a snack. Hurry up, get in, hell yeah. Come with me on this mission. Riding down the coast, I want to push off.
Hey you guys, so I am on my way to work. I am in a rush. I left out my normal time. I was supposed to leave out, I'm always supposed to leave out a little bit earlier than what I do, but I left out my normal time and I always make it to work on time. Today, people is acting like they can't drive. Don't get me wrong, I do drive fast. I know I do, but at the same time, like, come on now, come on. But it's saying I should be to work at 7:57. So yeah, I'm pressing it because I gotta be there. Well, I have to be to work by 8 o'clock. But it's saying I should be there by 7:57. So yeah, just in a time crunch right now. So we are at the dentist's office now. I had to bring my kids to get their teeth cleaned. And then we probably go to Sisters.
It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist you. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views, food and everything. All I wanna hear is in the visions on replay. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. You wish away, but we don't really want to. I just wanna get away and sit right next to you. I swear it's hard to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket low. Fuck gravity, I'd rather stay up here. Well, we can get away. Palm trees, beach views, food and everything. All I wanna hear is in the visions on replay. Sit right next to you.
Sometimes it feels like nothing is changing in our lives, but healing isn't always loud. Sometimes it's choosing not to respond. It's choosing rest. Sometimes it's just simply becoming a little kinder to yourself.
I can't get away from you. Broken hearts were made for two, I guess. And it's so confusing, finding the right ways to express. Being love, it's a fear, it's a drug we do, I guess. An addiction